In this video, we will demonstrate how to mark geographic information on an OpenStreetMap. Other learning goals include 1. How to merge different datasets. 2. How to create a heat map. We are going to use several Python libraries, including Pandas, Seaborn and Plotly. The dataset contains a sample of shipping records in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and New York. Each shipping record includes the origin and destination cities, their geographic locations, longitude and latitude, and the trip distance. As shown by the heat map, most shipping routes are within New Jersey or between New Jersey and Pennsylvania. We can group all shipping routes by their origin city. It becomes evident that a significant volume of truckloads originates from Elizabeth, which is notably home to the Port of New York and New Jersey, a key hub for freight transportation. OpenStreetMap is a free mapping software. By providing the geographic coordinates, longitude and latitude, of each city, we can visualize the shipment origin locations on a map. Plotly Scatter Mapbox provides an interface with OpenStreetMap, allowing for easy visualization of geographic data on an interactive map. Mapping plays a crucial role in logistics, distribution, and retail planning by providing a visual representation of geographic data that helps businesses optimize their operations. Accurate maps enable companies to identify efficient routes for transportation, analyze distribution patterns, and select strategic locations for retail outlets.